Welcome back again. Today I am starting on video number 24 after the installation of the engine. And I proceed with removing the lower cooling plate again. But I have to do some adjustment there, and drilling also holes in the connection for the welding afterwards. So this one and this one here. Then just lift up the cooling plate and preparing also the holes here to clip holes for the welding afterwards. I'm starting with to adjust this part here in the top so that the don't are in the way for a good connection for the cooling plate. I have to check it out afterwards again if the connection is correct again. Now we will see what happens. I just have to try it again. Okay. The spot is just okay now, and I'm happy with that. And you can ask why I do this. This is just because before you welding. So bring it back later again. Thanks for watching so far. So the headlights are in the right position for centering the holes here beneath and in the top, and the same here on the left side in the top and beneath, and on the right the other one. So you have to take care of it that alignment of the lower cooling panel is correct with the alignment from the headlights on both sides. So that you have to check out before you weld in complete the whole cooling plate. So what I do now is later on I will fix it and will glue the lower part and the sides here which will be welded on the top also and on the left side here. So I've still a little to do before I can continue with mounting the lower cooling plate permanently. You guys, welcome to Sunday. Very nice weather. It's very hot here, about 28 degrees in the sun. So I'm doing the final test how everything fits. I put my headlights in again and screwed it fast and mounted the upper grille and now I take the lower grille that was coming here and look if everything fits correctly before the final the welding. Okay, I think it fits everywhere, up, the upper and the lower. So I take everything off again and only the upper grill, because I have to mark all the places where I do my welding. Hey guys, good afternoon. My package from Germany, Rostock, has arrived yesterday. That's nice. That's for protecting the sharp sides on the plates. small pieces to do the mounting. That's the plate for so for the left side, or yes, for the contact for the thermostat. That's the piece for the left side. And then the final piece for the lower part of the radiator. More here. These are for the sides on the main lights, for the left side and the right side. Two pieces, also heavy, nice, stainless steel. So I'm pleased. So I bring it back later again when I came so far to install it in the front for the radiator. Okay, bye.